Hi everyone, this is Manisha from Auro Element, International School of English Language. The courses that we offer are IELTS, PT, TOEFL, Personality Development and Spoken English. We also deal in study abroad, PR and PNB cases. So we at Aurora Element believe in quality, and that is why we provide exclusive learning material to all our students along with IELTS speaking and writing booklets that are being created by 9-band trainers. I am myself a 9-band holder, and which is why we have 100% assured results for all our students. And if you study with us, we guarantee that you'll be able to crack your IELTS exam within the first attempt. So today I would be talking about the most dreaded module in IELTS training, and yes, everyone would agree with this, that is writing. I will be giving you some tips as to how to write a perfect introduction for your task 2, that is an essay. Right? So let's just jump right into it. So quickly, I would be explaining all these things one by one, right? So firstly, there's the general statement. So when you get your basic topic for task 2, there's always a bigger topic or a chief topic that is there in each and every question. So for example, it can be on technology or education or globalization, unemployment, depends on different types of questions. Okay, so the general statement stands for the basic sentence that you need to form or the overall perspective that you need to give for the chief topic that is there in each and every question. So today's topic is about nowadays people choose to be self-employed rather than work for a company. Do you agree or disagree? So the main topic is about self-employment. It can also be called entrepreneurship, right? So our general statement would also be on the same topic. So it can go like, entrepreneurship is the process of creating incremental wealth by providing innovation and solving problems or to solve the problem. So like a basic introduction that you can provide, right? So moving on to the next portion, that is paraphrasing the topic. So paraphrasing the question means that you have to write down the topic, the main topic in your own words using synonyms. However, you need to keep two things in mind. First of all, the meaning of the sentence should remain the same. And secondly, there should be no new or additional information that should be provided in the paraphrasing sentence. So the topic should remain the same, the meaning should remain the same. For example, our today's topic is nowadays many people choose to be self-employed rather than work for a company. So it can go like a healthy proportion of individuals in the millennial era. Instead of nowadays, you can use millennial era, the present era, or the 21st century. So it will go like a healthy proportion of individuals in the millennial era opt for own businesses instead of working under employment for an organization. Right? So this would be paraphrasing. No new additional information. We've written the whole sentence in our own words. Coming to the third portion, the last portion of your introduction, that is the thesis statement. Now, the thesis statement is basically your opinion. If whether it is an agree, disagree essay or whether it's a discuss both the views essay or advantages, disadvantages, whenever you have to state your opinion, that has to be done as your third sentence of your introduction. Just like in today's topic, there is the question of agree or disagree. And if I agree, I can always write the thesis statement like, I accord with the presented statement and my reasons will be articulated in the following paragraph. So clearly, very carefully, I've given 3 aspects of your introduction, and trust me, after watching this video, it would hardly take you 5 minutes to write down an introduction of any kind of an essay. I hope this was useful. Follow us for more on Instagram and Facebook. You can always subscribe us on YouTube, where we are always providing various videos, tips and tricks to all our students. You can join us for both offline and online batches as well. Hope to see you soon. Thank you very much.